ACCEPT accept, say yes to. EXCEPT accept, not including. Accept, 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 accept. AFFECT effect, make a difference too. EFFECT effect, a result. Affect, effect, affect, effect, affect, effect. BARE bear, not clothe, uncover. BEAR bear, carry, tolerate. Bear, 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 both are same pronunciation. BRAKE brake, a device for stopping a vehicle. BREAK brake, a pause separate into pieces. Brake, 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 brake. These both are same pronunciation. COMPLEMENT complement, add to in a way that improves, a thing that improves something. COMPLIMENT compliment, politely congratulate or praise, an expression of praise. Compliment, 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 compliment. DEFUSE diffuse, make a situation less tense. DIFFUSE diffuse, spread over a wide area. Diffuse, 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 diffuse. Here also same pronunciation. DESERT desert, a waterless empty area. DESSERT dessert, the sweet course of a meal. Desert, dessert, desert, dessert, desert, dessert. ENVELOP envelope, wrap up or surround. ENVELOPE envelope, a letter. Envelope, 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 envelope. FLARE flare, gradually become wider, a brief burst of flame or light. FLAIR flare, a natural ability or talent. Flare, 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 same pronunciation. LOOSE loose, unfasten or set free, not fixed in place. LOSE loose, past is LOST lost, have taken away, be unavailable to find. Lose, 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 lose. METER meter, a measuring device. METRE meter, a unit of measurement. Meter, 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 same pronunciation. PEDAL pedal, a food operator. PEDDLE pedal, sell goods. Pedal, 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 pedal. PRACTICE practice, perform an activity or exercise, a skill rather than the theory or doing something. Example: doctor, advocate. Practice, practice, do repeatedly to improve skills. Practice, 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 practice. Principle, principle, a fundamental law, a belief. Principal, principal, most important person in the organization. Principal, 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 principal. Roll, move by turning over and over. Role, an actor's part. Roll, 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 same pronunciation. SIGHT, sight, the ability to see. SITE, sight, a location, area or place. Sight, 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 same pronunciation. STATIONERY, stationery, paper and written material. STATIONARY, stationery, not moving. Stationery, 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 stationery. For paper and written material, stationery is ending with ERY, and not moving stationery is ending with ARY. SUMMARY, summary, a brief statement of the main points. SUMMERY, summary, typical of summer. Summary, 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 summary. For the brief statement, summary is ending with ARY. For typical of summer, summary ending with ERY. For brief statement, ARY. THEIR, there, belonging to them. THERE, there, in, at, or to that place. There, 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 there. TO2, in the direction. TOO2, excessively also. Excessively mean too much. Too, 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 too. TO2 for direction. TOO2 for excessively mean too much or also. WHO single quote S, whose, short for who is or who has. WHOSE, whose, belonging to which person. Example: whose mobile is this? Whose mobile is this? Whose, short for who is or who has. Whose, belonging to which person. Whose, 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 whose. YOUR, your, belonging to you. YOU single quote RE, your, shortened for you are. YOUR, your, belonging to you. Example: What is your name? You single quote RE your shortened for you are. Example, you are handsome. Your. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel.